Students, potential, electric potential or potential is represented by a symbol V. It is equal to the work done against electric field from infinitive to a point inside the electric field. According to the figure, charge particle is moving. Charge particle, basically it's a 1 coulomb charge, that's Q naught, moving from infinitive to a point Q inside the electric field. It is opposite to the direction of electric field, hence it is a positive work done. Students, potential or potential difference are only depends on the initial and final position, so it is depends on x only. By the calculation we get VQ equals to WQ naught, WPQ upon Q naught, that is finally after calculation we get KQ over X. It means only depends on X. We have an example in which we can explain easily. In example number 1, we have an equilateral triangle where at the corners of triangle 3 positive charges Q1, Q2, Q3 are placed. The side of equilateral triangle is small r and its corner to center distance is represented by x. We have to calculate electric potential at point C. So the total potential is only depends on the final and initial position of particle, and initial position is infinitive, so we have to calculate the potential at point C only. That is equal to the sum of all 3 charges potentials at point C, which is represented by V1, V2, V3. The value of V1, V2, V3 are KQ1 upon R1 plus KQ2 upon R2 plus KQ3 upon R3. Since Q1, Q2, Q3 are equal in our example and R1, R2, R3 are equals to R by root 3, that is represented by X. By putting the value of X, we get 3 root 3 KQ by R. In our second example, there is a square form where charge Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 are present at the corners of square. So finally we obtain potential, that is 4 root 2 KQ by R. We know the value of X is equals to R by root 2. In next example 3, if the charge Q2 is replaced by the negative charge, so in the calculation there is no difference, basically V1, V2, V3 are added. Similarly V KQ1 Q upon R1 plus KQ2 upon R2 plus KQ3 upon R3 are added. When we put the value of Q2, that is minus Q, then this quantity is cancelled with this quantity. Okay, so these two quantities are cancelled out, only one is the left. So finally KQ upon R, by putting the value of R we get root 3 KQ by R. In our fourth example, if again only one charge is negative, so students, when one charge is negative, then we have a loss of 2 terms, right? If any 2 charge are negative, then the effective potential becomes 0. You can understand this. A very good example, that is example number 5. We have a pair of 2 charges. They are equal in magnitude but opposite in nature. Charge Q1 is positive whereas charge Q2 is negative. Their distance is 3r, where Q1 to A is small r, A to B is small r, B to Q2 is small r. It means equal distance is there. Students, the magnitude of Q and Q2 are equal, and we have to calculate the following examples. Following parts in the example, that is potential at point A. When we want to calculate the potential at point A, we require the contribution of Q1 and Q2 both. In case point A is at distance small r, so the potential due to positive charge is at small r represented by kq by small r, whereas point A to Q2 is distance 2r and that is negative charge also. So k minus q divided by 2r. Finally we obtain plus half kq by small r. Whereas point B, potential again added V1 and V2. The point B is at distance 2r from the charge Q2. Sorry, Q1. And from the negative charge, it is at distance small r only. So this is plus half and minus 1. Plus half minus 1, finally we obtain minus half kq by r. Third point, potential difference VA minus VB. In this example, charge is moving from B to A, so we have to calculate potential difference, that is A to B. We can put the value and get the correct answer. Now in case of work done is represented by BA, means a charge capital Q is moved from point B to A. Then we have to calculate work done. Students, in case B to A, potential difference is AB. That is already calculated. By putting this value, we get this answer. Positive result of work done represents that we have to do work done. You can calculate the fifth and sixth point, that is VB minus VA, and work done to move a charge from A to B. Thank you students. All the best.